We're back at the famous elevator that I got stuck in at the IKEA in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 2. And we actually made it up this time. We're gonna go to 1. There's your bell. Well, if you watched my other video, you've gotten a good view of this cab already, but they have actually changed the posters, so you can take a look at these. It's a ThyssenKrupp elevator installed in 2009. If you haven't already seen my video where I got stuck in this, I highly recommend you check it out. The elevator got stuck just as it started to level last time. Again, this is elevator L7. Says it's going down. The interesting thing is, this is actually disabled. This elevator is basically an up-only elevator because it directs you to the other elevators around the corner. So, since we didn't get stuck in the first one, let's go over to the other elevators. As you can see here, there's the elevator we were just on. The other ones are right down there. So they put 3 elevators basically right next to each other, but they're on 2 separate controllers. The numbering is kind of weird. They got L6 here, L5 here, and then L7 is basically right behind this wall. L7 is the one we just rode. Here's your store map. They call the second floor the showroom, and the first floor the market hall. You've got a nice cafeteria section up here too. Here are those elevators that we're gonna ride, but real quick, here's another look at the entrance of the store. The elevator we just rode is down there. They basically make it so the escalator is one way and the elevator is one way. So once you're up on the second floor, you have to go through the entire store to get out. These elevators are a lot busier than the one we just rode. No down chime? Never mind. Let's go to 1. So elevators L5 and L6 differ in the sense that they each have rear doors. Someone called it. Whoa. We're definitely going to get that on tape again. One of the doors took a little longer to open than the other one. Let's go back down to 1. So again, these are ThyssenKrupps. They were installed in 2009. So when I said in the last video that I thought these were late 2000s, early 2010s. That was correct. I'm pretty sure they all have a capacity of 12,000 pounds. You know what, actually, if this elevator doesn't go back up, we're gonna let it shut and then open it again so you can see what I'm talking about a little better. That is really weird. We're gonna send this one up to 2, and then we're gonna see if we can ride this one last. We're going up to 2. One of the other elevators is in nudge mode. I'm gonna go back down to 1. This one has a different floor passing chime. And like, just because I'm curious, we're gonna send this one up to 2. The other elevator is right here. I want you to watch the doors again. That is, if it doesn't go back up. Now that is weird. Anyway, that'll be it.